Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be unboxing my beauty box by Beauty Society. So what is beauty box? A beauty box is a makeup and skincare subscription box for $60. The box contains $200 worth of products, and you'll get full-size products, travel size, samples, refill, and beauty tools. And also, there's a new product released in every box each month. And every month, there is a theme to the box in its contents. When it comes to subscription, if you don't want to do it monthly, you can do it every other month or every 3 months. That's all up to you how you want to set it up. Mine comes to me every 3 months. Okay, so let's see what's inside. And this month theme is Endless Summer. First, it comes with this pamphlet, and it tells you about the products that are in the box, and also you'll get a 30% off coupon on your next purchase of $99, and the coupon code is on the back. By the way, this August beauty box is no longer available, but you can still get one for September, but it won't be processed until September 15th. Okay, here we go. So we have Set Me Free, Fake ID, Keep It Light, and Live Nirvana. First is Set Me Free Cleanser, and this is a trial size. And this is their best-selling cleanser. It's sulfate free, and it's made from natural cleansing agents derived from tea tree, sage, thyme, and eucalyptus. And this is great for all skin types, especially oily and blemish-prone skin. Next is Keep It Light Oil-Free Cream Gel. I bought a full size of this a few months ago, and I really love this moisturizer. It's hydrating, it's very refreshing, and I really like how light it is on my skin. And it makes my skin soft and smooth instantly. This moisturizer is great for all skin types, especially oily skin and acne-prone skin. This Lip Nirvana is a matte liquid lipstick. The shade is VK. It's a pretty pink nude color. It has a mirror and an LED applicator, which is super cool. I have one of this in different color, and I love it because it glides easy on my lips. It's smudge-free and long-lasting. Then I have a Fake ID Resurfacing Serum Refill. This is a full-size product, and this will go in my empty Fake ID bottle. I love refill because with every refill purchase, Beauty Society donates to the Eden Reforestation Project to plant trees to help keep our planet safe and beautiful. And all refills are available at a 15% discount. Okay, let's see what's inside this cute little pouch. Wow, it's Fake ID. Awesome. So now I have 2 full-size products, one in this glass bottle and one refill. Fake ID has glycolic and lactic acid, and they help your skin appear younger by tackling sun damage, wrinkles, enlarged pores, hyperpigmentation, and even breakouts. So if you struggle with adult blemishes, Fake ID is very helpful for that. Okay, our next item is a swag item, and this is Beach Throw. I love the colors. They're beautiful and bright. Perfect for endless summer theme. And it says Beauty Society on it. So pretty. This is the new product, Dark Brown Eye and Brow Pencil, and this color is fantastic as a natural eyeliner, and it is perfect for shaping and filling in your eyebrows. And the cool thing about it is that it comes with this amazing sharpener lid at the end of it. That's all for this month beauty box. If you're wanting to know more about beauty box, you may click the link in the description below. thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And click the notification bell so you get updated every time I post a new video. Bye!